Introducing Daydream Cushion, Perfect and Protect. It's a primer, SPF, and serum-infused tint all in one. Your skin will be nourished with niacinamide, green papaya fruit extract, rice water, green tea extract, goji berry extract, and snow mushroom extract. Our petal puff was designed for precise application, and it's antimicrobial that allows for clean reapplication time after time without absorbing product in the process. Daydream can be used every day and is easy to apply, carry, and touch up throughout the day. Because of its multi-use formula, you can wear it as a primer, creating a beautiful base that evens out your skin. Or it can be worn alone as a tinted SPF. You'll still look like you, but better and protected. This breathable formula has a buildable tint, optically diffusing the skin. You can touch up, refresh all day. And it's available in 6 shades. Shade 1, Cloud Dream. Shade 2, Gentle Light. Shade 3, Sweet Secret. Shade 4, Summer Hue. Shade 5, Warm Dusk. Shade 6, Magic Dream. And of course, Daydream includes a complimentary refill. All you have to do is pop it out from the back. And with your refill, snap it in place. A tip I like to do before refilling: I like to refresh my sponge first to maximize my use. With a tweezer, pull out the cushion and flip it over, and just tuck it back in. That's it. Daydream is the cushion I've been dreaming of, and now it's real.